At A Plus Landscaping, we provide for all of your lawn care and landscaping needs. With years of experience and a passion for perfection, we're here to transform your outdoor space into a beautiful oasis. Lawn care and continued maintenance is vital for your outdoor space to look good all year round. That's why we're introducing our new lawn care maintenance packages, designed to provide you with a pristine lawn and enabling you to sit back and enjoy your outdoor space without having to do the hard work of routine mowing, weeding, mulching, hedge trimming, and more. We offer multiple packages to best suit your needs, whether residential or commercial. Contact us today and let A Plus Landscaping elevate your outdoor living experience.